Hi, it's Kim from Inside My Money, where better money decisions start with understanding. So, over the last few videos, we've looked at the different parts of the debt journey. We've looked at C, the total picture, understand why things can feel difficult or hard to manage, and then act, taking a small step to making things better. So, in this video, it's just about bringing everything together so you can see the whole debt journey and what it all means. The first stage is C. This is about creating a clear picture of your current situation. Understanding what you owe, where it sits, and how everything fits together helps remove uncertainty. Seeing the full picture creates a starting point. The second stage is understand. Money decisions are influenced by more than numbers. Our experiences, emotions, habits, and behaviors can all play a part. Understanding these influences helps us recognize what may be making money harder than it needs to be. The final stage is ACT. This is where you explore different approaches and consider the options available. Taking action does not have to mean making big changes all at once. It starts with understanding your situation and deciding what your next step looks like. Managing money is not about getting everything right immediately. It is about building awareness, creating better systems, and making progress over time. Small steps can help create a stronger foundation for future decisions. The debt journey brings these stages together. First, we'll see the full picture, then understand why debt can feel difficult. Finally, explore your options and decide what comes next. Each stage builds on the one before it. If you are ready to begin, you can start the complete debt journey at Inside My Money. Work through each stage at your own pace and build your understanding step by step. The goal isn't to have all the answers straight away. The goal is to understand your starting point, explore your options, and take the next step with more clarity and confidence. So, thanks for joining me on the Debt Journey series. And I hope that these videos have helped you just take a simple step just towards helping make things better in terms of your debt, or at least understanding where you are today and why things might be difficult. So it's not about doing everything at once. It's about just making a decision and then just doing one thing to make it a bit easier for yourself. So you can go to our website and you can do the whole debt journey, start to finish, for free at any time. And so I hope that you join us for future videos on different topics, because we'll be doing these on a range of different things. So again, I hope we see you soon, and good luck with your debt journey.